Example number 5, dito sa integration by parts. Ang ating problem, integral of secant cubed of y dy. So, ang ating integrand dito ay add power ng secant. Secant cubed of y dy. Ngayon, yung integral na ito ay equal din ito sa integral of secant of y times secant squared of y dy. So, yung add power of secant, ginawa nating product ng dalawang function, parehas na trigonometric. Secant y, secant squared y dy. So, dito, let u equal secant of y. Secant of y. And let dv equal secant squared of y dy. Secant squared of y dy. So, our du, ang derivative ng secant y ay secant y tangent y dy. Secant y tangent y dy. If dv equals secant squared of y dy, integral ng secant squared y dy equals tangent of y. Tangent of y. Okay? So, let us now follow the formula, Integral of u dv equals u times v minus integral of v du. So, our u times v is secant y tangent y. Secant y tangent y. And then minus integral of v du, Ang ating v du ay tangent y, secant y, tangent y dy. Magkakaroon tayo ng secant y, tangent y, and then times tangent y dy. Now, tangent y times tangent y is tangent squared y. So, I will have secant of y tangent of y minus integral of secant of y and then tangent squared y dy. So, yung ginawa natin yung tangent y, minultiply natin sa tangent y. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng tangent squared y. Ngayon, itong tangent squared y, equal siya sa secant squared y minus 1. So, I will have secant of y, tangent of y, minus integral of secant of y. So, itong tangent squared y, gagamitin natin yung identity na tangent squared y equals secant squared y minus 1. Secant squared y minus 1. And then times dy. I-ayos lang natin yung exponent ng secant, Burahin ko muna ito. Ito. Diyan ko lang yung okay. Tangent squared y, secant squared y. So, ayos ko lang ito. secant squared of y. Okay? Tapos nun, itong secant y, multiply natin sa loob, ano? So, we will have secant of y, tangent of y, and then secant of y times secant cubed y times dy. So, magkakaroon tayo ng minus, no? Integral of secant cubed of y dy. And then negative secant of y times negative 1 ay positive secant of y, no? So, plus integral of secant of y dy. So, ito, parin ko muna ito. Secant of y dy. Secant of y dy. So, baba natin to. Meron tayong integral of secant cube of y dy. So, mapapansin natin na yung ating problem, no, na integral of secant cubed of y dy ay bumalik, ano, ito siya. Negative integral of secant cubed of y dy. So, para matapos yung ating problem, ano, ang gagawin natin, i-eliminate natin itong negative secant cubed of y dy by adding positive integral of secant cubed of y dy both sides. Ano? So, mag-add tayo ng positive, integral of secant cubed of y dy. So, both sides, So, integral of secant cube of y dy. So, pag inad natin yan, magkakaroon tayo dito ng sagot na 2 integral of secant cubed of y dy. And then, equals, no? So, ito, bababa natin. Secant of y, tangent of y. And then, negative integral of secant cubed of y dy plus integral of secant cubed of y dy equals 0. So, matitira lang itong nasa dulo plus integral of secant of y dy. No? So, plus integral of secant of y dy. And then solving for integral of secant cubed of y dy, we must multiply both sides by 1/2, no? So, dito natin ituloy yung ating problem. So, integral of secant cubed of y dy equals 1/2, no? And then times secant of y, tangent of y, and then plus integral of secant of y dy is ln of secant of y plus tangent of y. No? And then plus c. And this is now our answer. Integral of secant cubed of y dy equals 1/2 secant of y tangent of y plus ln of secant of y plus tangent of y plus c. Okay, next, example number 6. No? Integral of x cubed e to the 2x dx. So dito, yung ating integrand ay product ng algebraic function, yung x cubed, at saka exponential function, yung e to the power of 2x. So gagamit tayo ng integration by parts, no? So let u equals x cubed, no? Let u equals x cubed, and let dv equals e raised to 2x dx, and then our du equals 3x squared dx. Integral of dv equals v, and integral of e to the 2x dx, no? Integral of e to the 2x dx. So equal ito sa 1/2 integral of e to the 2x times 2 dx, no? So parang i-apply natin dito, no, yung integral of e to the u du, no? So yung 2 dx, yun yung ating du, at yung e raised to 2x, sa e raised to 2x, yun yung ating u, no? Ito. Yan. Integral of e to the u du equals e to the u, no? So magkakaroon tayo ng 1/2 e to the u, e to the 2x, no? So 1/2 e to the 2x yung ating v, no? So integral of x cubed e to the 2x dx, following the formula u times v minus integral of v du, we will have x cubed times 1/2. So magkakaroon tayo ng x cubed divided by 2, and then times e to the 2x, and then minus integral of v du. So minus integral of v du. So 1/2 e to the 2x times 3x squared dx. So 3 times 1/2, 3/2. So yun yung constant natin. Lalabas natin siya sa integral sign. So magkakaroon tayo ng x squared, no, e to the 2x dx. So from x cubed, ano, yung ating algebraic function, ngayon x squared na lang. Ibig sabihin, yung ating integral of b du ay mas simple dito sa ating original given na integral of u dv. Integral of x cubed e to the 2x dx. So dito gagamit ulit tayo ng integration by parts, no? So let u sub 2 this time, no, para may distinction tayo sa unang integration by parts na ginamit natin sa una, no? Equals x squared. And then dv2 equals e to the 2x dx, no? E to the 2x dx. Then our du 2 equals 2x dx. And our v sub 2 equals 1/2 e to the 2x. Okay? So, karoon tayo ng x cubed divided by 2 e raised to 2x. And then minus 3/2. So, dito i-apply natin yung ating formula. U times v minus integral of v du. So, u2 times v2, no? So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1/2 times x squared, and then times e to the 2x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x squared divided by 2, and then e to the 2x, and then minus integral of v du, no? So, 2x dx times 1/2 e to the 2x. So, 2 times 1/2 equals 1. So, maliteran lang ay integral of x e to the 2x dx. And then, we will have x squared or x cubed divided by 2 e to the 2x. And then, negative 3 over 2 times x squared over 2 e to the 2x equals negative 3 over 4. 3 over 4 x squared e to the 2x. And then, negative 3 over 2 times negative, magiging positive, 3 over 2 integral of x e to the 2x dx. Okay. So, ngayon, from degree 2, so, yung ating algebraic function, from degree 2, ngayon, degree 1 na lang. So, magbura muna tayo ng board. Burahin muna natin itong sinulat natin dito sa taas. Delete natin ito, Okay, so write muna natin yung problem na nasa baba, dito sa taas. Tugtong natin dito para magandang tingnan yung ating solusyon. So, equal na ito ngayon sa x cubed divided by 2, and then e to the 2x, and then minus 3/4 x squared e to the 2x, and then plus 3 over 2 integral of x e to the 2x dx. Okay, so itong huling integral natin dito ay product pa rin ng algebraic function at exponential function. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng integration by parts. So, let u sub 3 this time, equals x, and then dv sub 3 equals e to the 2x dx. So, du3 equals dx, and then v sub 3 equals 1/2 e to the 2x. So, meron tayong x cubed divided by 2 e to the 2x, and then minus 3/4 x squared e to the 2x, and then plus 3 over 2. Okay? So, ngayon, i-apply uli natin yung ating integration by parts, yung ating formula. U times V. So, U3 times V3, x times 1/2 e to the 2x. So, kakaroon tayo ng x over 2 e to the 2x minus integral of v du. v sub 3 du sub 3, ano? So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1/2 integral of e to the 2x dx. e to the 2x dx. Okay? I-erase muna ulit tayo ng board. Tanggalin na natin ito mga ito. So we'll have x cubed divided by 2 e to the 2x. And then minus 3/4 x squared e to the 2x. So multiply natin yung 3 over 2 sa loob at pag-iwalay natin yung integration, no? So 3 over 2 times x over 2 e to the 2x equals 3 over 4 x e to the 2x. And then 3 over 2 times negative 1/2 negative 3 over 4. 3 over 4 integral of e to the 2x dx. So ngayon itong e to the 2x dx, integrable na, no? Yung integral of e to the 2x dx, integrable na siya. So magkakaroon tayo ng x cubed divided by 2 e to the 2x minus 3/4 x squared e to the 2x. And then plus 3/4 x e to the 2x. And then minus 3/4 integral of e to the 2x dx is 1/2 e to the 2x and then plus c, no? Okay? So, magkakaroon tayo ng integral of x cubed e to the 2x dx equals. Sa dito, meron tayong common factor na e to the 2x, no? So, lalabas natin yung e to the 2x. So, e to the 2x. So, magkaroon lang tayo dito ng x cubed divided by 2. And then minus 3 x squared over 4. 3x squared over 4. And then plus 3x over 4. And then minus 3 over 8. Minus 3 over 8. And then plus c. And this is now our answer. Let us have another solution to the problem integral of x cubed e to the 2x dx. So, shortcut method ito, no? Ang tawag natin sa method na ito ay tic-tac-toe method. So, dapat ang makuha nating sagot ay itong nandito sa taas, ano? Integral of x cubed e to the 2x dx equals e to the 2x times, no? X cubed divided by 2 minus 3x squared over 4 plus 3x over 4 minus 3 over 8 plus c. So, dito sa ating problem, meron tayong dalawang functions. Yung algebraic function na x cubed at saka yung exponential function na e to the 2x. So, yung algebraic function, tatawagin natin u of x. No? U of x. At yung exponential function naman, tatawagin natin v of x. Okay, so meron tayong x cubed, yung ating exponential, yung ating algebraic function. Meron tayong v of x, yung ating exponential function na e raised to 2x. So dito sa u of x, kukuha tayo ng derivative, continuous differentiation. So magkakaroon tayo ng unang derivative, magkakaroon tayo ng 3x squared by power rule. Tapos, kukuha ulit tayo ng derivative. Kukunin natin yung derivative ng 3x squared. So, magiging 6x. Kukuha ulit tayo ng derivative. Derivative ng 6x ay 6. At ang derivative ng 6 ay 0. So, dito sa u of x, magkakaroon tayo ng continuous differentiation hanggang makarating tayo sa 0. Kung ilang beses tayong kumuha ng derivative dito sa u of x, mag-i-integrate naman tayo sa v of x ng ganun din kadaming beses. So, ilang beses ba tayong kumuha ng derivative dito sa u of x natin? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 na beses. So, 4 na beses din tayo mag-i-integrate dito sa ating v of x. Integral of e to the 2x ay 1/2 e to the 2x. So, ito yung una. Tapos, mag-integrate ulit tayo. Integral of e to the 2x, 1/2 e to the 2x times 1/2. So, magiging 1/4 e to the 2x. Another integration, Integral of e to the 2x is 1/2 e to the 2x times 1/4. So, magiging 1/8. E to the 2x. Another one, panghuli. Integral of e to the 2x is 1/2 e to the 2x times 1/8, 1/16 e to the 2x. Okay? So, yung ating problem, integral of x cubed e to the 2x dx. So, equal ito ngayon sa una, positive product ng dalawa na ito, dalawang term na ito. X cubed times 1/2 e to the 2x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x cubed divided by 2 e to the 2x. So, ito yung first term ng ating sagot. Yung second term naman ng ating sagot ay yung negative product ng dalawang term na ito. Negative product. So, pag multiply natin yan, so magkakaroon tayo ng negative 3/4. Negative 3/4 x squared e to the 2x. X squared e to the 2x. Ang kasunod naman ay yung positive product nung dalawa na ito. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 6x times 1/8 e to the 2x. So, yung 6/8, so that's 3/4. Positive 3/4. So, plus 3/4x e to the 2x. And then, yung last term ng ating sagot ay yung negative product nitong dalawa na ito, 6/16. So, yung 6/16 ay 3/8, So, minus 3/8 e to the 2x and then plus c, So, pag ating iniwalay yung e to the 2x, pinactor out natin yung e to the 2x, ito yung magiging sagot natin, Integral of x cubed e to the 2x dx equals e to the 2x times x cubed divided by 2 minus 3/4 x squared plus 3/4 of x or 3x/4 and then minus 3/8 and then plus c.